everyone! You're just in time! Guess what? We're gonna have a snow day!
Bouncing space bugs! Did you say snow day?
I sure did!
Woohoo! I love snow days! Wait, we need snow to have a snow day. Where do we find snow?
I have no idea. But I'm sure we'll find someplace.
Where we can have big, snowy fun!
And that sounds like we have a mission. And you know what that means?
Yay!
It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We want to go somewhere where we can have fun and excitement in the snow.
That's no problem. Let's see where you can go.
The ice cream planet? Well, ice cream is cold like snow, but it might get a little sticky.
The ball planet? Too bad it's not the snowball planet.
The winter planet? Oh, that's a great place for fun in the snow.
The Winter Planet. Excellent choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Next stop, the Winter Planet.
Yippee! It's a snow loading!
Rob? Where'd he go?
Over here! Huh? Do you have to blow your nose so hard, Emma? You're ruining my concentration.
Huh? That wasn't me.
Then where's that noise coming from? Look! It's a goose. My name's Rob. These are my friends Emma, TK, and Orbit.
Aw, you're a cute little guy, aren't you? I wonder what he's doing here.
I don't know. Geese aren't supposed to like the cold. They migrate.
Migrate?
Yes, they migrate or travel to warmer places in winter to find food and shelter.
But geese usually migrate together in large flocks. I only see one goose. He's all alone. Oh.
Maybe he doesn't know how to fly.
Aw, poor thing. If he doesn't know how to fly, he can't migrate.
Maybe we can teach the goose how to fly.
Yeah, that'll be our new mission.
Okay, Feathers, follow me. Just do what I do.
Feathers?
Emma named him. It's better than calling him Goose.
That's it, Feathers. Now lift off into the air.
What are they doing? I don't know. Playing tag?
I'm doing is making myself dizzy.
And all Feathers is doing is having fun with TK snowballs. Anyone else have an idea?
Oh, I do! I think he needs to go faster.
Orbit's right. Just like our rocket, the faster Feathers goes, the easier he'll lift off of the ground into the air. And what better way to get more speed than on a...
Huh?
sled! Ready? Steady?
Was this my idea?
Fly, Feathers, fly!
You know, maybe we need a new scan. Or I mean, a new tan. No, we need a new plan.
I think I know what we need.
There! One more feather and... ta-da! A super snowrific set of wings!
What are you gonna do with those?
I'm gonna show Feathers how to run and flap his wings fast, so he can lift up into the air.
Control tower to TK. Ready for takeoff.
Ready, Rob.
Come on, Feathers!
Run!
Flap!
Over here, Feathers. Flap your wings.
Duck!
Really? Where?
These wings may not be great for showing Feathers how to fly, but they're great for blocking snowballs.
But now they're broken.
Broken? Oh, sorry, Orbit. Now how will we get Feathers up in the air?
I know. It's ta-da! Rocket boot time!
I don't think this is the time for fun and games, Rob.
No, but it is time to show Feathers what it's really like to fly. What do you say, Feathers? Want a lift?
Woo! Hey! Feathers!
Feathers can fly!
Yay for Feathers!
Yeah! Yay for Feathers! He can fly! Whoa! So why is he still here?
Rob has a point. If Feathers can fly, why doesn't he migrate? Shouldn't he fly someplace warmer?
Huh? More honking?
Where's that coming from? Don't tell me it's another duck.
No, it's more geese!
It sounds like a whole flock of geese.
Now that's what Feathers needs. A flock of geese to migrate with, so he won't be alone. Come on, we'll let them know Feathers is here. Honk, honk!
Honk, 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 honk.
I think he's going with them. Good luck, Feathers. Happy flying.
Wow, I've got to admit, that was the most winter excitement I've ever had.
Me too.
Me three.
Yeah!
And that means it's one big mission accomplished.
Yay!
Mission control?
Hi, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, we went to the winter planet where we met Feathers the goose. We tried to teach Feathers how to fly so he could migrate to a warmer place.
But no matter what we tried, Feathers wouldn't fly on his own.
Until he heard the call of other geese and decided it was time to fly away with them.
Well done. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Goodbye, Winter Planet. Oh, hi everyone. You're just in time. We're playing with our hover cars. Come on!
Go, car, go!
Ouch! Something hit me.
That was Rob's car, Orbit. He walked right onto the track.
I did? Oops. That's weird.
Are you feeling okay?
What? No, I'm fine. Let's play.
Orbit, the racetrack is that way.
Oh, I knew that.
Uh-oh, the battery for my car must have popped out when it fell.
Looks like I only have big batteries. I'm sorry, Rob.
Then how can Rob finish the race?
We'll have to look for a small battery someplace else.
Yeah, that sounds like a mission. And you know what that means?
Yay!
It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission Control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We need to find a really small battery for my hover car.
I see. A small solution for a big problem. Okay, let's see where you can go.
A super-sized planet? No, the batteries there are bigger than I am.
The Bath Planet? We want to race cars, not rubber duckies.
The miniature planet! That's it! Everything there would be really small, even the battery.
The miniature planet. Great choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Next stop, the miniature planet.
Come on, you guys! Check this out! It's a miniature golf course!
Where? Where is it?
You're standing on it, Orbit.
Oh, there it is. It's so small I didn't see it.
Are you sure you're okay, Orbit?
You guys,
Huh?
look what I found.
Whoa!
Wow! A shrinking machine!
Really? I want to see.
The small green circle makes things small, and the big red square makes them big again.
Whoa!
Remember, the little green button makes things little.
Oops, I hit the wrong button. I'll try again.
That's weird. Nothing happened.
Oh no, Orbit! What did you...
What happened? The shrink ray shrunk something. What did it shrink?
Us. We are the things that got shrunk.
Huh?
A giant bee!
A giant bee? Where?
Careful, Orbit. Bees can get upset if you scare them. Run! Whoa!
I think we lost him. Do you think we lost him?
I guess he was just as afraid of us as we were of him.
How did this happen?
I think maybe I pressed the wrong button.
What? Oh no!
I guess I just got confused. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Orbit. I'll just fly up there and press the button to make us big again. Stay right there. Okay, here we go. Get ready.
What's wrong? Why didn't it work?
I'm too small to push the button. Maybe if we all push the button together, it would work. I could fly you all up there.
That wouldn't be very safe. We should find another way.
No way! Guys, check it out! Now that we're small, my hover car is big. Big enough to carry us.
That's true, but it won't run without a new battery.
Hey, maybe he can help us.
Huh?
Hi, Mr. Robot. My friends and I are looking for a very small battery. Could you please help us?
That's a toy robot, not a real one.
Orbit, are you having trouble seeing things?
Well, no. I mean, yeah, lately things are a little blurry. Okay, a lot blurry.
You should always tell someone if you're not feeling well, Orbit. And especially if you can't see properly.
I know. And if I had said something sooner, none of this would have happened. I'm sorry, guys.
Hey, look! A battery!
And it's the perfect size for my race car. Nice job, Orbit. Yeah!
Hop on the purple triangle first, then the red square. Come on,
Hurry!
It was kind of exciting to be tiny, but it sure is nice to be back to our normal sizes again.
What are you looking for, TK?
New lenses for you, Orbit. It's time to fix your blurry vision. Well, how do we look?
You look Great! It's nice to see you all so clearly again. Thanks, TK.
Now my hover car is fixed, and so is Orbit. That sounds like a big mission accomplished. Mission Control?
Hi, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, today we went to the miniature planet to look for a tiny battery to fit my toy hover car. But instead, we found a machine that could make big things small. Orbit was having trouble seeing, but he didn't tell anyone. He accidentally shrunk everyone when we tried to use the shrinking machine. But with Orbit's help, we also found a battery for my hover car, and it played a big role in making us big again. Orbit got a new pair of lenses and promised to always speak up when something doesn't feel right.
Well done. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Goodbye, miniature planet! Hi, everyone. Hope you're ready for a wild ride. We're playing make-believe horsey. I'm riding a wild bronco. Whoa! What's your horse, Emma?
Mine's a beautiful sport horse.
Look out!
Whoa!
Race! Horse! Coming through!
Hey, where's TK?
Over here, Rob.
What's your horse?
It's a unicorn.
A what?
A unicorn. It's a magical horse with a long pointed horn on its head.
But that's different. You need to pick a real horse.
But I like unicorns. And besides, I've never ridden a real horse. They kind of scare me.
Well, maybe horses scare you because you haven't learned to ride one. You should give it a try.
Yes, and riding a real horse is way better than riding a make-believe one.
That's a great idea. And that sounds like we have a mission. And you know what that means? It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission Control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We want to find a place where TK can ride a horse.
That sounds like a great mission. All right, let's see where you can go.
The pet planet? We want to ride horses, not hamsters.
The merry-go-round planet? Merry-go-rounds have horses, but they only go in circles.
Hey, this looks like the perfect place.
Yes, the horse planet. Excellent choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone. Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts.
Stop the horse planet.
horses are called. They're super fast.
You know, unicorns are pretty fast too.
You're never going to find a make-believe horse, TK. But you can ride one of these right now.
Are you gonna ride one, Orbit?
I think so. I just need to find the right time to...
Yay!
Go Orbit!
That's the spirit.
This is the best horse ever! We won!
Yay!
Good job!
Wow!
You should try it, TK. It's so much fun.
Well, I guess I could give it a try.
Hold on. I want you to try a sport horse first. You might like it better.
And I want to show you my Bronco. We'll come back and try this one later. Huh?
This is it. This is for equestrians.
I thought you liked sport horses.
Silly. Equestrian horses are sport horses. See? They jump over those hurdles. If they knock any down, they lose points.
Ah.
Galloping galaxies! I've got to try this. Hup.
Yeah!
Hey!
Ha!
Emma, that was great!
Wow! Equestrian horses jump almost as high as unicorns.
Oh, TK, why don't you try my equestrian horse? We can go jump together. It'd be so much fun.
Hey, wait a minute. She hasn't seen a Bronco yet.
What fun is a wild horse? All they do is buck.
That's half the fun. Come on, I'll show you. There it is.
Huh?
It's a wild Bronco. Look at it go.
It's very, excited. I think unicorns are a bit calmer.
You just have to catch it at the right moment and... Ah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeehaw! Yeah!
Go, Rob!
Help! I don't think this is supposed to happen.
I knew this was a bad idea.
Oh no! How are we gonna stop him?
I've got a magnet? Nope. A pillow. And a roll of sticky tape. None of these will work. To catch him, we're gonna need a miracle. Or a unicorn.
Huh?
Whoa, easy, girl. I need your help to catch my friend Rob, okay? Good girl. Okay, giddy up.
TK, is that
Of course it is. Hang on. Whoa. Easy, boy. Easy.
Whew. It's a unicorn!
Yes, it is.
And it's real!
Yes, it is.
TK, we're so sorry we didn't believe you.
Yeah. We shouldn't have ignored your choice just because it was different than ours.
It's okay. I forgive you. Turns out I really like riding horses. And I think everyone's favorites were great too. Can we go back and try them all?
That's a great idea. And I'd say that's mission accomplished.
But you're skipping the wild bronco, right?
Mission control?
Hi, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
TK had never ridden a horse before, so we went to the horse planet to help her find the perfect choice. TK's favorite horse was a unicorn, but we didn't believe they were real, so we tried showing her each of our own favorite horses. Orbit showed us a thoroughbred racehorse. He was super fast. And Emma found her equestrian horse. It was a great jumper, but I thought there was an even better horse for TK to try. That's when we found my favorite horse, a wild bronco, but he was a little too wild. If it wasn't for TK and her unicorn, I would have been in big trouble. We learned that we all like different things, but being different is okay, as long as you're having fun.
Well done, TK. Unicorns are my favorite too. Mission accomplished. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Goodbye, Horse Planet! Hi, everyone! Guess what? It's race time! On your mark,
Get set,
Go!
Orbit, wait! The light's not green yet!
and you're going the wrong way.
Nuh-uh, not me. You guys need to turn your racers around.
Orbit, that's dangerous. You're going to cause an accident.
Sorry. I didn't mean to crash our toys.
That's why there are rules, Orbit. They make things safe. Red means stop, yellow means caution, green means go. Just like the lights on a real street.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Learning a few rules about street safety might be a good idea, Orbit. And that sounds like we have a mission. You know what that means? It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission control?
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We want to go somewhere we can learn about street safety.
That sounds like a fun mission. Let's see where you can go. Round and round the planets go. Which one stops? Nobody knows.
The book planet! We want to read street signs, not books.
Piggy Bank Planet. No, we want to learn about keeping ourselves safe, not saving our pennies.
Yay! That place looks sensational!
Yes, the traffic light planet. Great choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Stomp, the traffic light planet.
A life-size racetrack! Oh, this is amazing!
Ooh, look over there. Race pods. Last one to the finish line is Rusty Robot.
Hey, everyone! See that hand?
Huh?
When you see a hand like that, it means don't cross.
Oh.
That's a walk symbol. It means it's safe to cross now, but you should still look both ways to make sure.
Aw, there are only 2 pods.
No problem, Orbit. There's room enough for 2 in each. Let's team up and we can all take turns at driving.
Good idea, Rob.
Okay.
I can't wait to see what the finish line looks like. Let's go!
Hey, wait for us.
Greetings. I'm ESI, your electronic safety instructor.
Oh, hi, ESI.
Before we begin, please ensure your safety belts are securely fastened.
Seatbelts fastened, ESI.
Excellent. Please proceed with care.
Huh?
We cannot continue the test until the safety belts are securely fastened.
Oh, Rob, don't forget your safety belt.
Please stop and look both ways to make certain it's safe to move ahead.
Emma, I think we were supposed to stop and look both ways first.
Huh, I didn't see anyone. Besides, we have a finish line to get to, and fast.
Wow!
Please stop and look both ways to make certain it's safe to move ahead.
Woohoo! Come on, TK. We have some catching up to do.
Rob, didn't you see the sign? You went the wrong way in the roundabout.
I know, but I avoided all the traffic. And look, Emma and Orbit are just up ahead.
This isn't a race, Rob. We're supposed to be learning about street safety.
It's a red light, Emma. That means stop, right?
Come on, come on.
Ha ha! It's no use, Emma. You can't outrace a racer, and I'm Racer Rob, the fastest.
So long, Slowpoke. See you at the finish line.
Hey, the light hasn't turned green. That's cheating.
Oh, dear. Emma sure isn't following any of the safety rules.
Oh, hang on, TK. I have an idea. Let's take this shortcut. This race isn't over yet.
Rob, the sign said do not enter. We shouldn't be going this way.
Yay! I don't see Rob and TK anywhere. We're gonna win.
Just a little further.
Almost there.
Emma, you cheated. You didn't wait for the green light back there.
You cheated, Rob. You went through a construction zone.
I'm sorry to say you have failed your street safety test.
Huh?
Test?
That's right. I was so excited about racing our pods. I forgot why we came here.
To learn about street safety, not to race. Wow, guys, we're sorry.
That's okay. At least nobody was hurt.
Barely. The only thing we've learned about street rules is how to break them.
Hey, guys, I have an idea.
Greetings. I'm ESI, your electronic safety instructor. Before we begin, please ensure your safety belts are securely fastened.
Seatbelts fastened, ESI!
Excellent. Please proceed with care. Congratulations! You followed the rules and successfully completed the course. You have passed the safety test.
I guess that's one mission safely accomplished. Mission Control?
Hi, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
We went to the traffic light planet so we could learn all about street safety. Only Emma and I got slightly carried away trying to race each other. And we broke a lot of rules trying to get to the finish line. Thankfully, we had a second chance at the test, so TK and Orbit had a turn driving. And this time, we obeyed the rules and passed the test safe and sound.
Well done. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bye, traffic light planet. Hi, everyone. You're just in time. We're playing circus.
I'm the juggler.
I'm the acrobat.
And I'm the tightrope walker.
Whoa! But a tightrope's supposed to be up in the air, Orbit.
Yeah, not on the ground. Well, there's nothing to tie it to.
You have to do something, Rob. What can you do?
Well, I think it would be fun to see a real circus with real circus performers.
Yeah!
Okay then, that sounds like we have ourselves a mission. And you know what that means? It's time for us to pick a planet.
Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet! Pick a planet!
Mission Control?
How can I help you today?
We'd like to see a real circus with real circus performers.
A circus? That sounds like fun. Let's see where you can go.
The Toolbox Planet! I love tools! You sure do, TK, but we want to see jugglers!
The Thimble Planet is a great place to go if we wanted to learn to sew, but we want to see acrobats.
Oh!
Oh, now that looks like the place to go.
Yay!
Yes, the circus planet. Excellent choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone! Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts!
Next up, the circus planet.
Oh! That's strange. It must be the quietest circus ever. I don't hear a sound.
What does the sign say, Emma?
It's a rhyme. We're taking a break and have gone away, so the circus is closed just for today. We've worked so hard, it's for the best. Please stay and play and be our guest.
Rusty robots! What fun is a circus planet without a circus?
But the sign says we can stay and play here, Orbit. Maybe we can put on our own circus.
Huh? That's a great idea, Emma. I could be the juggler.
And as you all know, I could be the acrobat.
And this is my chance to try walking on a tightrope up in the air.
What are you gonna do for our circus, Rob?
It's a secret.
Okay, then. Let's go see what we can find to use in our circus acts.
What am I gonna do? Oh, hi, Squeak. Have you come to see the show? TK's gonna juggle, Emma's gonna be an acrobat, and Orbit's gonna walk a tightrope. What about me? I can't do anything. I can't juggle, I'm not an acrobat, and I can't walk a tightrope. You think there must be something I can do? Okay, let's go see if I can find something to do for the circus show. But I don't think there is. Emma, TK, and Orbit must be back there getting ready. Should we take a peek? Ooh. Wow! You think I should try to juggle like TK, Squeak? Okay. I guess I'd need a lot of practice to be a juggler like TK. Well, I can't walk on a tightrope, but I think I can do this. I guess I'd need a lot more practice to learn to do that, too. Wow, Emma's really good. You think I can do that? Hey, what happened? I guess I need a lot more practice to do what Emma does, too.
I'm ready to do my circus show.
Me too. And me 3. How about you, Rob?
Well, I'll be ready in a minute.
Yay!
I'll just have to tell them the truth. I don't have any circus talent. I can't put on a show like they can. You think I'm funny? Then maybe I can put on a circus show like the others. I can't be a juggler. I can't be an acrobat. And I can't be a tightrope walker. But I can be...
It's your turn, Rob.
You got to see our circus shows. Now we get to see yours.
Thank you. You were great too. Not only did we all have fun and see a really great show, we got to be in one too. I'd say that's mission accomplished. Mission control?
Yes, Rob, you're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, we wanted to see a real circus with real circus performers. So we went to the circus planet. But the circus people weren't there, so we decided to put on our own show. TK was the juggler, Emma was the acrobat, and Orbit was the tightrope walker. It takes lots and lots of practice to do all those things. I couldn't do anything like they could. But Squeak made me see that I could be funny and make him laugh. So, I did a circus clown show.
Well done, everyone. I guess that's mission accomplished. Let's go home. Better buckle up. 5, 4, 3,